Nehru, as first Prime Minister of newly independent India, he reorganized the states of India in terms of Union of States by 7th Constitutional Amendment, by which 14 states and 6 union territory formed. But it was a rise of, it was another way was on one hand, Union of States formed in India, but on the other hand, rise of regionalism. What is separatism, regionalism? It does mean some different parts of country, they started asking for separate state. They also want further separate state. The situation becomes so violent in India, so violent in India, so violent in India, that on one side Nehru was facing border tension with China, with Pakistan. On the other side, Nehru was facing violence inside India, and violence regarding separate state was that much severe in India that in 1958, आप लोग पढ़ेंगे इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी में, क्या आप में से कोई गेस कर सकते हैं 1958 नेहरू गवर्नमेंट in spite of being newly independent India drafted an act which is still a very deadly act especially for security forces. हाँ, वेरी नाइस। ये आपने देखो ऐसे लड़के लड़कियां, इट्स नॉट क्वेश्चन ऑफ देयर फैक्चुअल नॉलेज, इट शोज देयर कंसर्न। इन 1958 आई विल गिव यू दैट, नो वरी। आर्म फोर्स स्पेशल पावर एक्ट, Nehru, in spite of being Prime Minister of newly independent India, what was the compelling situation for Nehru to draft such a deadly act which has caused large scale human right violation even today? जैसे देखो कोई छोटा बच्चा है, उसको उसकी मम्मी ने जोर से थप्पड़ मार दिया, वो गिर के बेहोश हो गया। एवरीबडी वॉज लुकिंग एट मम्मी कि कैसी ब्रूटल माँ है ये, बच्चे को कितना गंदा मार दिया। लेकिन nobody is able to understand कि what is that compelling situation for that ma has hit his own child so badly. It means that ma has noticed a very severe negative element in that child. वो माँ अपने बच्चे में कोई बहुत सीवियर नेगेटिव कोई चीज देखी है, जिसके चलते वो चाह रही है कि दिस चाइल्ड हैज टू चेंज. So likewise, please try to understand, and whatever I am giving you these lines, this is to write essay content. Essay should be thought provoking. So once again, please, Nehru, because of sustaining violence inside India, violence outside India, limited resources, unlimited challenges, his government was compelled to draft an act called Armed Force Special Power Act in 1958. That act continued even today, not only in J&K, in Northeast. However, the act has been very much restricted, and that act you would be studying in detail in internal security. That act gives extraordinary power to security forces to search anyone, detain anyone, even shoot down anyone.